Hello and welcome to the Blissman Law Office Pittsburgh Metro Lawyers informational video. Today's topic is going to be the post-Valentine's Day reality check, your prenuptial agreement. Now, after the candy boxes are emptied and the cards are thrown away and the flowers have wilted, what are you left with after Valentine's Day? In a lot of cases, it's going to be continued love. But in a lot of other cases, in fact more than half, it's going to result in a support complaint or a divorce complaint. Or a divorce complaint, I should say, because a support complaint you know is going to be coming. In a lot of cases, the love is going to turn to hatred, and it's going to cost you a lot of money unless you're careful. Now, how to be careful? Well, whenever you get involved in any type of hazardous activity, whether it's motorcycle riding, it's going to be, say, hunting, you're going to take, or driving your car, you're going to take safety precautions, such as you're going to wear a helmet, you're going to wear orange in the woods during hunting season, and you're going to fasten your seat belt, and of course you're going to have your safety devices in the car, such as an airbag, anti-lock brakes. Well, legally you can have the same protections. You can have your legal airbag that could save your life, and what I'm talking about is the prenuptial agreement. Now, a lot of people are very reluctant. They don't want to even broach the topic of a prenuptial agreement because you always hear from the other party, well, if you really loved me, you wouldn't ask me to sign this. And my answer to that is, if you really love me, you will sign this. Because if things don't work out, you could be married for just one day. And guess what? You're going to end up having to pay spousal support, which in the state of Pennsylvania, if it's dragged out, it could be over 2 years. You're going to have to pay this person part of your hard-earned money every month. And then the question is, how much? The biggest question has always been, how much am I going to have to pay? And obviously, for child support, you will have to pay no matter what. But on spousal, you're going to have to pay 40% of the difference between what you make and the other party makes, minus any child support obligation there is. And if you do the math on that, that's going to be a lot of money unless you take precautions to protect your interests. And if you have a prenuptial agreement, that means that they're waiving their claims to support and to your property, and you're going to protect yourself. And it's whether you're a man or you're a woman. If you have more than the other party, if things go south, things go bad, you're going to have to pay these people, whether you like it or not, unless you have your legal airbag, or in some cases you could call it a legal bulletproof vest. And that's going to be your prenuptial agreement that's going to either make them entitled to nothing, or if they are entitled to something, which you don't have to give them anything. But if you choose to do so, you could make a provision, but they're not going to get any more than what's in the agreement. And the fine points of that, I would be more than happy to discuss with you. You can call our office at 412-823-1700, or you can contact us through our website, blissmanlaw.com. And this is a topic which I think is very, very important, more so than maybe some other things, legal matters that people have, because when you get married, it's like a corporate merger. And when you go to get a divorce, it's like dissolving a corporation. There's going to be a fight amongst the shareholders on who's going to get what's going to happen to the assets. Are they going to be sold? Are they going to be split? And who's going to get what? And it's a very important topic, so I'd highly recommend that you give us a call. We can sit down and we can discuss what your needs are going to be. Thank you.